Well, hello everybody. In this question, we are told that in the given triangle, if OP is equal to QP, so this is OP and that's equal to QP, and angle POQ is 60 degrees, so POQ is here, that's 60 degrees. What is the slope of the segment PQ? This is the segment PQ. We need to find the slope of this segment PQ. So what we can do is, we are given that angle POQ is 60 degrees. So obviously then angle OQP would also be 60 degrees because it looks like an isosceles triangle, but because it is 60 degrees, it's also an equilateral triangle. And so if I were to draw this perpendicular, it becomes a perpendicular bisector. So this R is a perpendicular bisector, hence, OQ being the x-axis. So the coordinates of R is going to be 3 and 0. So we are saying that PR is the perpendicular bisector of OQ, and we get OR is equal to OQ, and that is equal to 3. This is 3 and this is 3. The length of it is 3. The next thing that we're going to do is to find the gradient. But we can say that the coordinate of P is going to be, the x coordinate is going to be 3, and assume that the y coordinate is B. So suppose the y coordinate of P is B. So hence the point B is written as 3B. So see, B is going to be negative, so we can write it as minus B. So so I'm going to write it as minus B because it's the y coordinate is negative. So then what I can write is in triangle PRQ. So I can write in triangle PRQ. So we can say tan of 60 degrees is equal to PR over RQ. So we said that RQ is 3. That is PR over 3. Tan 60 degree is root 3. So 3 root 3 is equal to PR. So that would mean that B, that this bit is 3 root 3. That's the distance, so this point, we will put a negative sign there. Since this coordinate, this is B, so that is minus B, with minus, it will be minus 3 root 3. Okay, so the coordinates of P, you can write it as 3 and then minus 3 root 3. So now I can work out the gradient or the slope. So therefore, so the coordinate of P is 3 minus 3 root 3. And Q we already know is 60. So hence the gradient or slope of PQ would be equal to minus 3 root 3 minus 0 over 3 minus 6, and that is equal to minus 3 root 3 over minus 3, and that is equal to root 3, and that is the answer.